Welcome to Zakynthos Island, where paradise meets reality. In this video, we're taking you on a captivating journey through its unreal beaches and crystal clear waters. Get ready to be spellbound by the beauty that awaits from the famous Shipwreck Beach to hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Whether you're here for travel inspiration or simply to indulge in stunning visuals, join us as we uncover the breathtaking landscapes of Zakynthos. Stay tuned as we unveil why this Greek island is truly unforgettable. Let's dive in. Number 1. Navagio or Shipwreck Beach. The reason people call it Navagio or Shipwreck Beach is that it is one of the most photographed beaches in Zante. The wreck of a freighter called the EMV Panagiotis dominates this beach after it grounded following a storm in 1980. Since then, it has been abandoned on the beautiful white cobbled shore. On northwest coast of Zante, Navagio is a wide pebbly strip, backed by towering perpendicular cliffs, made up of white limestone. This is referred to as Navagio or Shipwreck Beach by most people who have seen its pictures. The beach has been dramatically dominated by this freighter wreckage since then, and camouflaged under a plain white pebble for almost 3 decades now. Before leaving, make sure you pack all your necessities like drinks, foodstuffs, and something to shade yourself with, such as an umbrella, because there are no services or facilities at the shores. Number 2. Banana Beach. This stretch is the longest on the island and offering soft sands and clear waters. Situated 14 km or a drive, taking about 20 minutes to south from Zakynthos town. On this beach, there are lots of vendors making business by providing sunbeds and umbrellas for people to relax on, while bars and restaurants are erected all along the beach. Water sports are also popular, with rides such as Ringo, paragliding, and water bikes. The shallow waters make it a perfect place for families with young children to enjoy their holiday. The journey is easy because there is a free bus that leaves Laganas, Kalamaki, and Argasi every day. Also, public buses run along the route throughout the day. Number 3. Makris Gialos Beach. Snorkeling and diving enthusiasts should head straight to Makris Gialos Beach. This secluded beach lies about 30 km from Zakynthos town on the northeast coast of the island. It has deep, clear waters where snorkeling and scuba diving enthusiasts can access caves through which they can explore. There is a dive school close by for all your dive needs. Since there are no facilities or amenities available here, it is not very crowded as compared to other beaches. At Makris Gialos Beach, the water gets very deep, very quickly, thus may not be suitable for children, but perfect for adventurers who want some seclusion in one of those beautiful secluded beaches around the world that you see in movies. Number 4. Agios Nikolaos Beach. In this confusing way, there are 2 beaches in Zante that share the same name. One is a quiet, secluded beach on the northeast coast, and the second, more popular beach, is on the Vasilikos Peninsula, not far from the well-known Banana Beach. The southern Agios Nikolaos, or St. Nikolaos Beach, got its name from a quaint little chapel that stands atop of a hill at the further end of the beach. The beach has fine golden sand, set against calm blue water, drawing in visitors like a magnet. There are lots of facilities, and it's usually crowded with tourists. Daytime music plays all day long in bars along the shoreline, and sporty holidaymakers can enjoy themselves in water activities all year round. Number 5. Girakas Beach. Situated at the southeastern tip of Zante, Girakas Beach extends in a long curve with sand and offers breathtaking views of surrounding cliffs and countryside. However, unlike other beaches on the island, this one is protected as it is a marine park. This sandy beach is also home to the loggerhead sea turtles that are an endangered species. For those who want to know more about how these turtles can be preserved, along with the rest of wildlife found in the area, they should visit Turtle Information Center near the beach. Since it's a bit far-flung destination, driving would be most preferable. There is free parking available for your vehicle, and it takes approximately 30 minutes or 16 km from Zakynthos town by car. Number 6. Navagio Beach. The presence of so many facilities and its proximity to the city makes it one of the most preferred beaches in Zante. There is plenty of partying going on, and young people love this place. The hotels form a great backdrop to the beach, hence you are spoilt for choice when it comes to eating out. A plethora of sunbeds and umbrellas are spread along the busy sandy shore, while there exists many water sports for tourists. If you have little children or just want a quiet day at the beach, then probably Navagio is not your best option. Consequently, if you want to have a good time in the sun and keep on partying throughout, then go no further than Navagio bars and clubs. The beach can be easily reached by bus. Car parking near the beach is limited, although you may find parking within walking distance. Number 7. Shipwreck Beach. Shipwreck Beach is a lively and busy beach of Zante. At the beach, Shipwreck, which is a busy resort area, does get crowded always at the height of the season. It lies on the eastern coast, about 6 kilometers from Zakynthos town, being made mostly of sand with a few pebbles lying here and there. The beach has resorts and hotels all along it, most of which have sunbeds and umbrellas in front. In addition to so many bars or restaurants, too many water sport activities abound. The clean, shallow waters make it ideal for families. There are no steps to the beach at all, as there are many flat access points that makes it an excellent choice for those with babies. Number 8. Porto Zorro. Porto Zorro is a small, pretty sandy bay on the eastern part of the Vasilikos Peninsula that boasts 2 large rocky outcrops. The blue deep waters appear against rich green vegetation, making a fantastic natural contrast. Sunbeds and umbrellas adorn both sides of the narrow sand pebble beach. This means that nearby bars and restaurants can be quite expensive, but it is peaceful here as compared to main resort places around it. The road leading to this beautiful place from Vasilikos through Argasi is long, steep, skinny one. This is because there are numerous parking areas adjacent to this place where you can leave your car while visiting. Number 9. Immerse Beach. Immerse, a long and narrow sand and pebble beach, is named after the large salt flats at its back. It is situated 20 km northwest of Zakynthos town, and it is less crowded than some closer to the resorts. Immerse Beach has everything you need for a perfect day out: lounges, parasols, snack bars and restaurants. And if you prefer to sunbathe on an empty beach, there are some stretches without sunbeds. The water here is warm and shallow with a flat entry onto the beach, making it excellent for families with children. Windsurfing and water skiing are very popular sports here. Number 10. Kalamaki Beach. This calm contains a small depth of sand and is well suited to people with young children. Often, loggerhead turtles can be seen lazing about in the shallow, warm water. Since Kalamaki is a protected area for turtle breeding, no one should set foot on the sand before sunrise or after sunset. One can also rent pedalos for an hour and look at the residents' turtles closely. The usage of other water sport facilities, except paddle boats, is not allowed to protect this strip from turtles. There are your usual snack bars, sunbeds and umbrellas, but no bars serving alcohol here. Location: 8 kilometers south of Zakynthos town. Best accessed by car or taxi. Kalamaki Beach, 2 kilometers from Zain Airport, often has planes flying low directly over it. Number 11. Porto Vromi Beach. The length of Porto Vromi Beach, Zakynthos, Zante, is about 25 meters. It is a tiny natural bay with pebbles. The water on the beach is clear and turquoise, while there is a small local harbor where you can board boats to Blue Caves, which are close by, or alternatively famous Navagio Beach. A little snack bar operates during summer, but it's better to come with your own drinks just in case. There are so many lovely beaches peppered throughout Zante that it would seem almost inconceivable to mention them all. However, we have picked out some of the more popular ones. Be assured, whether you wish to laze on the sunny shore all day long, attend wild beach parties that end late at night, discover pristine bays, try adventurous aqua sports, or explore amazing underwater world, when snorkeling, Zante has something for everyone looking for a great seashore vacations. As our adventure through Zakynthos Island comes to a close, we hope you've been as captivated by its beauty as we have. From the surreal beaches to the pristine waters, this journey has been nothing short of magical. If you've enjoyed exploring with us, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends who need a virtual escape, and subscribe to our channel for more travel inspiration. Let's keep the exploration going together. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep wandering and keep discovering. Safe travels.